Hi my lovely peeps, good morning. Welcome back to your girl Tiona in the house, and welcome back to the healthier side of things. Now guys, I'm gonna make some Irish moss, sea moss, flaxseed fruit smoothie. And here I have my flaxseed, ground flaxseed, good Irish moss. I will leave a link of both of them, how to ground them. And I have some good mangoes here, pineapple. I'm just gonna use 2 cubes of ice, some ginger, and 1 tablespoon of Irish moss and some banana. We're gonna blend up everything together, and I'm gonna use some almond milk. All right, that's it. I'm gonna add the pineapple first. You can use strawberries if you don't have mangoes. I have 1 mango. I'm gonna add the ginger, a few pieces of ginger, the tablespoon of Irish moss, and I'm gonna add the banana. I hope it can hold. This will do. So 1 tablespoon of flaxseed, ground flaxseed. And now I'm gonna add about say 1 cup of almond milk. That's it. Now we're gonna blend this bad boy. Okay. Now guys, when I get it somewhat blend a little bit, I'm just gonna add my ice. Oops, pull right up, and I'm gonna blend it up. All right, we're gonna pour some in. And I'm gonna put a straw, and I have a little piece of the mango left over. There it is, guys. And guys, that's the final result. Ooh, Irish moss flaxseed fruit smoothie with some pineapple and mangoes and a ripe banana, some ginger. Yes guys, yes, really healthy, delicious and refreshing. Jamaican vibes, Jamaican style. All right guys, love upon me and I love upon you. If you don't have almond milk guys, you can use some yogurt or regular milk. It's up to you, your choice. All right, and you have a wonderful day. Put God first in everything you do. Refreshing and nice. Bye guys.